Ngô nho cha, cái lòng mày quá nào mà sẽ yêu phăng phật. À quăng cô đi anh nha.
Is this the restaurant?
Yes, now.
Babe, do I look classless to you? I asked you to take me to a restaurant. You brought me to this local place. Babe, now. I want to go to where it has good aesthetic.
Okay.
Where we can eat intercontinental dishes. Not this local place.
Babe, this is where men eat. Yeah? You see this place now, eh? They have bushmeat, they have pami, they have like nkwobi. If you chop their pepper soup.
Next time I want to eat in Kwabi and Pami. Babe, stop now. I don't like here, please.
Aside, that place now where they talk. That food they pot belly. But you see this place now, natural food. Eh? You hear a wall for my water go.
See, let's go to Lekki Phase 1. Have this fine restaurant. I know they have nice waterfront and good aesthetic. Not this place. Babe, I want to go there and eat. I don't like this place, please.
All this food, are you sure you can eat it? Because they sound like bad food. Yeah? Sure.
Bed? Baby. See, I've been eating this food every time because I love eating. Babe, stop standing local and primitive, okay? These dishes are intercontinental dishes. But I can't wait to test this restaurant's own menu. Please, babe, I want to enjoy myself, okay? Babe, please.
Don't worry. I just want you to have fun. Okay. I don't want anything to spoil our day. If this is what you want, I'm okay.
Yeah?
Fine, girl.
Simweders, feeling funky.
God forbid.
Bring my water. Okay. Bring my. No. Just wait a minute.
Agane kwa ta asa ta olo kam piago lo eso.
Babe, are you okay?
Babe, give me a few minutes. I'm coming, okay?
All right now. Okay. What's happening to you? Oringa? Oringa? What's wrong with you? I asked you before, have you eaten this thing before? You say yes.
I just wanted that sexy plate. I don't want you to look me less.
You don't want me to look you less. Me that brought myself down. I'm carrying you to a place where me and you go enjoy food. I don't get sense, yeah? It can't be you wake up from the contact or a pig. Yeah? If you ever have a church, okay? I stand up and don't go to our wife. Or you want steady drugs too? Come.